I wish a bright morning to all my champs. Welcome in your English class. Today we are going to go through chapter number 19 and it is related to the topic active and passive voice. We have done exercise number 19.1 and now it's turn to go for exercise number 19.3 that is related to present continuous tense. So what do we see that what is the identification of present continuous tense? First, it should be clear in your mind. In present continuous tense, what do we apply? We apply is am/are plus first form of verb plus ing because word continuous relates with first form of verb and ing. Now, here we see that in active voice we have subject plus is am/are plus first form plus ing plus object. Now, in order to convert it into passive voice, what do we see? That object will come here and takes the place of subject and we will go with the same verb is, am or are according to the subject here. Plus, what change we will bring? We will add the word being here. Being, why we are applying being here? Because students, be was been. Be is the first form of the verb plus ing. In order to omit these first form of verb plus ing, we will add this word. Okay. Now we are placing first form plus ing with the word being. Being plus third form of the verb will always be applied. We know it well. Plus by plus subject. Okay. Now we see, let's have a look at example. Children are enjoying the party. Now here we see that whenever we are just sorting out voice, first of all after reading the tense, so we see that children is the subject here, are enjoying. Now is am/are first form plus ing is applying here, so it is relating to present continuous tense plus object is given here. In order to convert it into passive voice, what do? The object will become the subject. The party. Now we are talking about a single party. Our subject is singular here. So the party is. Among the verbs is, am and are, we will go with the verb is. The party is. Now in order to omit first form plus ing, we will add up this word being. The party is being enjoyed. After applying this word, we can apply verb, third form of the verb. The party is being enjoyed by the children. Let's go for exercise number 19.3. Here, convert the following sentences into passive voice. At first place, we are having Anurag is singing a sweet song. Now class, again we have to notice that after subject is, am/are first form plus ing is applying. Is applied according to the subject. So we first of all it should be strike in our mind that the tense is present continuous tense, and while converted into active voice we have to add up the word being here. Okay. Now the object will become the subject as we always do. A sweet song is an object here and it will take place the subject in active voice. A sweet song. Now here we are having a single song, so we will go with the verb is. A sweet song is being sing, sang, sung. Third form is applied. A sweet song is being sung by whom? By Anurag. Next is I am enjoying my holidays. Now again we will notice that it is relating to present continuous tense and we have to apply the word being here. I am telling it to you again and again so that you may get a good practice of it. My holidays. Now we will go with my holidays. Now here the subject is plural, so we will go with are. My holidays are being My holidays are being enjoyed. Third form, don't forget to apply third form always. Are being enjoyed by, I will be converted into me, by me. At number 3, we are having the sentence, a foreign company is building this road. Now the object will become the subject, this road. Now single road is here, so we will select is. This road is being. Now the third form of build is build, built. This road is being built by a foreign company. By a foreign company. At number 4, we are discussing a serious matter. A serious matter is being discussed by whom? By us. We know how to convert the pronouns. The joker is showing comical tricks. Comical tricks are being shown by the joker. Now at number 6, we are having, they are not blaming us. Now here we are having negativity, so us will be converted into we. We are. Now students, we have to take care that negativity is here, so we have to go with the word not. We are not being, we can't leave this word not. We are not being blamed, are not being blamed by whom? They. So they will go with them, by them. At 7th place, we are having the sentence, they are flying kites. Now kites, here plural, kites are being flown by them. They will be converted into them. The prisoners are making a secret plan. Now a secret plan, here a will be converted into capital 1. A secret plan, single plan is here, is being made. Make, made is the third form of the verb here, made by the prisoners. So class, this was your exercise number 19.3. I hope now you are well acquainted with the rules, how to sort it out. Go through it once again and enjoy to learn. Thank you. Good.